Hi, teacher. Good afternoon. My name is Carmelo Sorio, and this is my final assignment. I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't leave this moment and instead of a dreaming me. Getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand when you share this with me. 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers so cold that it's only all these hands can hold you, oh, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never and never, never and never, never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine in 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers so cold that they try on. These hands can hold the world, but it will never be enough, never be enough for me. Never and never, 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 never for me, for me, oh yeah. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me, yeah. For me.